In this video, we are going to learn how to add a WhatsApp chat on your website. See the demo how this is work. If anyone wants to chat with owner, then he easily chat by his mobile by WhatsApp. By this way, this is good for a owner and a client. We can also add this by following this 5 steps. There are these 5 steps. We first go to install a plugin on WordPress. First we will log in a WordPress on your desktop. See here. Then just scroll down. Then see here plugin, just touch here. Then click here add new. After that, there is a search bar. You search here WhatsApp. We want a WhatsApp plugin. After that, see here there are many type of WhatsApp chat are available here. I want one. I select this one. If you want to install this, then click here install now. After this is installed, then click here activate. Now this is active on your WordPress. Now go to second step. This second step is add a WhatsApp chat on website. Then return WordPress. See here click to chat which is installed before. Then click here setting. After that scroll down. See here WhatsApp number. There is country code. I am from India, so I write here +91. Then add a number which you want to receive the message from user. After that, click here save changes. Now this is activate on your website. To test this, go to your website by mobile. See here, this is my mobile before the setting. Now I just refresh this. After that, see here, this is the WhatsApp icon which is available. If anyone wants to chat, then just click here on this icon. Then he direct message to the owner by this number. If any user wants to ask their problem to the owner, then he will test here. After send here, owner will be receive the message which is from user. He will also send message to the user about the problem or any suggestion. If any company's customer service is good, then customer always available or use your product and service. Sometimes you see when you open a website, there is a automatic message pop up near the WhatsApp icon. See here, there is WhatsApp OS. If you want to change this, you can also do this. If you want, then go to WordPress, then just scroll down. Then see here call to action. Then change the message which you want. I want, hi, how can I help you? After that, click the Save Changes. Now I go to mobile. See here, there is a message pop-up which is, hi, how can I help you? Which is I written before. After that, if you want chat here, then just click here, then send your message. Now we see how this is work on mobile. The next step is how this is work on desktop. Then go to dashboard, then just scroll down. See here we have WhatsApp. Just click here, then click here Save Changes. Now this is activated on your website. If you want to check this, now go to your website on your desktop. See here, this is the WhatsApp icon. If you want to chat, then just click here on this icon. Then the WhatsApp web is automatically opened on your desktop. Now you take your mobile and scan the barcode. After scan, the WhatsApp web is automatically open to message to this number. Now the last step is settings, which is most important for everyone. If you want to change the number, then click here and change this number, then click here Save Changes. If you want to change the location of the icons, then you can do this. Then just scroll down and see here desktop, then there is the settings you changes. Just click here and top, just click here and change this left. Then you can also change the pixel. After that, Save Changes. Now this is done. Then refresh your website. See here the location is changed of your WhatsApp icon. Now the next setting, if you want to hide your WhatsApp icon from your desktop, then do this. Just scroll down. See here Hide Desktop and see here Hide on Desktop Device. Just click here, then see here many options where you want to hide your icon. I want in home page. I just click here home page. After that, this is hide from my home page. Save Changes. Now go to my website, then just refresh this. Then see here WhatsApp icon is not available here. This is just on home page. If you want to do this on mobile, then you can do this. Now if you want to display this icon on your desktop, then just click here, hide on desktop, then go here and off this, then Save Changes. See here, I just refresh this. See here the icon is available. You can also do this on mobile by following these steps. If anyone wants to check this, then just go the description, the website link is here.